OpenAI just unleashed its most powerful upgrade yet, ChatGPT Agent, an AI that doesn't just talk, it works. From running its own virtual computer to managing your apps and beating experts at their own game, this is the moment AI becomes autonomous. OpenAI's latest update to ChatGPT isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a fundamental redefinition of what AI can be. For years, ChatGPT has been the king of conversation, writing essays, debugging code, drafting emails, and brainstorming ideas. But at its core, it was still reactive. You asked, it answered. You gave it a task, it told you how to do it. That's over. With ChatGPT Agent, we've entered a new era, agentic AI, where the model doesn't just guide you, it executes tasks from start to finish. The headlining capability? A fully functional, secure virtual computer environment embedded inside the AI itself. Inside this environment, ChatGPT Agent can open and run applications like Office suites, IDEs, and design tools, create, edit, and save files across multiple formats. And this isn't just a gimmick. OpenAI has built sandboxed security layers so the agent can act freely without compromising your personal system or data. Let's define the difference clearly. Traditional AI is like having a highly knowledgeable coworker you talk to over email. An AI agent, on the other hand, is like giving that coworker admin access to your workspace and telling them, handle it. They will identify the goal, break it down into steps, pick the right tools, execute each step without interrupting you unless necessary, deliver the completed result. Key traits of an AI agent: persistence. It can remember context and continue work over time. Autonomy. It decides what actions to take next. This is the shift from reactive assistant to proactive worker. OpenAI essentially built a miniature operating system inside ChatGPT. This virtual workspace includes storage, memory, and connectivity. Browser access. This isn't just clicking links, it's programmatic browsing. ChatGPT Agent can log into web dashboards and automate repetitive form submissions. Terminal access. For developers, this is huge. The agent can run shell commands, install and configure software, and debug scripts. File management supports multiple formats and can organize project folders, edit large documents, and merge datasets for analysis. App integrations. Through secure auth-based API connections, it can interact with Gmail, Google Calendar, GitHub, Slack, and Trello. You could say, create a market research report, build a slide deck, schedule a meeting, and send the slides. And it will do all of that without another prompt. Integration is where ChatGPT Agent becomes indispensable. It uses token-based secure authentication to connect only to the accounts you explicitly allow. Example workflows: personal, reschedule my dentist appointment. Developer, pull commits and deploy code. Corporate, compile sales data and share reports. OpenAI's benchmarks paint a startling picture. In business analysis, ChatGPT Agent produced cleaner reports in less than 15% of the time it took a human analyst. In mathematics, it solved advanced problems with a 96% accuracy rate, outperforming both GPT-4 Turbo and human control groups. In research synthesis, it cross-referenced multiple papers and produced actionable summaries, a process that typically takes days, done in under an hour. Here's where things get exciting. Small business owners can manage customer data, send bulk personalized emails, and design marketing materials. Students and researchers can collect references, format bibliographies, and generate simulations for theses. Developers can auto-generate documentation and run automated regression tests before deployment. Corporate teams can auto-update Kanban boards and handle repetitive reporting tasks like HR compliance checks. Autonomy always raises eyebrows. OpenAI's safeguards include sandboxed instances, permission granularity, activity logging, and content filters. This balance between capability and containment is crucial for trust. Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro and Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet have shown early agent-like abilities, and open-source tools like Auto-GPT have been popular. But none have matched OpenAI's ability to combine unified tool ecosystem, Polished UX, enterprise-grade security, and Microsoft partnership reach. This is the industrial revolution for digital labor. Within 2-5 years, entry-level execution roles could largely disappear. Job categories may shift toward AI workflow design. Those who learn to manage AI agents now will have a massive career advantage. Insider leaks suggest upcoming updates may include long-term memory, more integrations with banking and e-commerce, and custom personas trained in your company's style. Multi-agent collaboration, 2 or more ChatGPT agents working together. Imagine your marketing, sales, and analytics agents coordinating in real time. The release of ChatGPT Agent marks a tipping point in AI history. We've moved from AI as a helpful assistant to AI as a fully functional, autonomous teammate. This isn't a tool you just use, it's one you delegate to. It will change industries, workflows, and career paths forever. The winners will be those who embrace it early, understand its limits, and learn to build AI-powered processes that scale. So, what's your take? Would you trust ChatGPT Agent to run parts of your business or personal life? Let's talk about it in the comments.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.